Hello and welcome to UPSC PREP. If you want to prepare for UPSC when still in school, you are at right place because our channel helps school students to start prepare early and easily for UPSC. UPSC Prelims is constituted of A. Paper 1 General Studies for shortlisting candidates, B. Paper 2 Aptitude, which is qualifying paper. We will discuss more about it in upcoming videos. Friends, preparing from early stage will never hurt you. In fact, it will help you succeed just like most toppers who were determined to serve the nation and started their preparation to crack exam at earliest. One of them is Miss Tina Dabi. We all know about her. First ranker in UPSC in first attempt. Our channel provides information specifically for school students. Let's prepare early. Please like, share and subscribe for watching newly brewed content from UPSC PREP. No need to wait, let's get started. Today, we will cover 4 topics of UPSC syllabus from today's news articles. Our first topic is decentralization. Recently, the governor of Andhra Pradesh declared that under 3 capital concept, Amravati would be the legislative capital, Visakhapatnam would be executive capital, and Kurnool would be judicial capital. He said that decentralization of administration is the key principle of 3 capital concept. Now, what do we mean by the term decentralization? Decentralization refers to an effort to share power, functions and responsibilities among government. It is processed when power is taken away from central and state government and given to local government. This helps in increasing democratic participation in country. You must have read about it in chapter 2 of class 10th political science textbook. Now, related previous year question was appeared in 2017 which asked that local self-government can be best explained as an exercise in A. Federalism, B. Democratic decentralization, C. Administrative delegation, D. Direct democracy. The correct answer is B. Democratic decentralization. Our next topic is Environment Protection Act. Recently, the government had made some changes in the Environment Protection Act to drop the compulsory washing of coal supplied to the thermal power plants. Now, we must understand what is the Environment Protection Act. Friends, Environment Protection Act was enforced in the year of 1986 by Government of India to control environmental pollution. It aims to protect and improve the environment and environmental conditions. It promotes the sustainable use and development along with conservation of biodiversity. You can read more about it in chapter 16 of class 12th biology textbooks. Now, previous year question from 2010. The Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is constituted under the A. Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, B. Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999, C. Environment Protection Act 1986, D. Wildfire Protection Act 1972. Yes, the correct answer is option C, Environment Protection Act 1986. Moving on to the next topic, climate change. The first assessment of climate change over the Indian region has been published by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It is India's first national forecast on the impact of global warming on the country in coming centuries, which reported that days would be hotter and rainier over India by the end of this century. Now, what is climate change? Climate change is the global phenomenon of change in temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns caused by human activities over a long period of time. This change in climate is largely a result of global warming. Also, this climate change doesn't happen in an instant. it takes time, largely decade or longer. Also, we must know the concept of global warming. Global warming is a gradual increase in temperature caused by presence of increasing concentration of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, etc. You must have read about it in chapter 18 of your class 8 science textbook. Now, time for solving related previous year question, which is from 2010. The United Nations Framework's Convention on Climate Change is an international treaty drawn at A. United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, Stockholm 1972, B. UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro 1992, C. World Summit on Sustainable Development, Johannesburg 2002, D. UN Climate Change Conference, Copenhagen 2009. The correct answer is option B, UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro 1992. Our last topic for today is Schizothorax Sikusirumensis. It is a new species of fish discovered in Arunachal Pradesh recently. The fish species belongs to genus Schizothorax. The name of the fish species has been derived from the name of the rivers where it was found. The fish was collected from the junction of river Siku and Siram near East Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, the question is, what is species? A group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities is called species. And what is genus? Genus refers to a group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. For example, potato and brinjal are two different species but both belong to the genus Solanum. You can read more about it in chapter 1 of class 12th biology textbooks. Now, last related prelims question for day is, a new species of fish named as Schizothorax Sikusirumensis has recently been discovered in A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Goa. Yes, the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for freshly brewed content.